So today I'll be talking about a smartphone which has the biggest camera sensor in this whole world. The company also claims that it's better than iPhone in camera performance. The phone is Nubia Z60 Ultra. Nubia phones are generally gaming-centric phones, but this time they have come up with some outstanding camera specifications. So let's know more about this phone. So meanwhile, keep the camera aside, the phone is actually pretty much good in all aspects. The phone comes in 3 color variants, and other than that, it has a special edition too, which will actually blow your mind. It's a painting design and you will just fall in love with this unique, charming design. The painting is special. The design is inspired from a famous painting which is done by the world famous painter, Mr. Vincent Van. On the right side of the phone, we get a volume button, a power button and alert slider. Even though we can slide it, it's not an alert slider. The button is basically for opening the camera app and also to control the shuttering. You can also customize the slider. For example, if you want to mute your phone, you can use the slider or to put it in vibrate mode. The detailing of every part of this phone is really mind-blowing. Even though the company have done a huge work in its design, everyone will not like this design, especially iPhone users. Sorry, it's a joke. I meant the people who like especially the plain designs will not like this phone. For them, they have their normal color variant. Now about the selfie cam. The selfie cam of Nubia Z60 Ultra is an under-display camera. Even though under-display camera seems to be pretty much advanced, but the optimization is very much poor. That's the same case with this phone too. The selfie camera of Nubia Z60 Ultra is below average for me. The display of the phone is 6.8-inch 120Hz AMOLED display. The video calibration and the overall color tone management is pretty much outstanding, and of course it should be, right? The stereo speaker is also pretty much good. The phone also comes with IP68 rating too. Now about the processor. Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The gaming performance is of another level, and the phone also have a specific gaming mode where we will get a lot of features for our gaming experience, which is similar or close to the features that we see in ROG phones. Let's now talk about the most awaited camera department of this phone. So the phone comes with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel primary sensor, 64 periscope telephoto and 50 megapixel specially for macro that we don't see in any other phones right now. The phone has collaborated with New Vision for the camera, and the 50 megapixel primary camera is of 1-inch sensor size. This size is pretty much big for a phone camera that we see currently in the phone market today. Since the size of the sensor is this much big, the night mode shot is pretty much outstanding. Now about the main claim. Is Nubia Z60 Ultra better than iPhone in camera performance? The truth is, the camera performance of Nubia Z60 Ultra is excellent, but it is not better than iPhone still. Even though Nubia has better camera hardware specifications than iPhone software optimization is still better than Nubia, which completely changes the game. It again teaches us a lesson that a camera performance is not based on its hardware but only on its software, how well optimized the software is, completely like iPhones. But there is one thing in which Nubia Z60 Ultra is better than iPhone, which is a 64 megapixel telephoto sensor. With the help of it, Nubia can take more good long shots than iPhone. The edge detection of Nubia Z60 Ultra in portrait shot is more good than iPhone. Now come to the end of this video. Nubia Z60 Ultra pricing comes approx 60,000 in Indian rupees, but sadly it is not available in Indian market. So these were my views about this phone. So what do you guys think about this phone? Please comment down below. We'll meet soon with another video. Till then, goodbye.